Hello, and welcome to the Willy Orange Guy Nginx file directory template. So this is basically an Nginx file directory page. It's very basic, and it's created as a simple HTML page, so that way you can use it on your own web server or on your own website. It's available on GitHub. You can watch it, fork the repository, or star the repository. And as we scroll down the page here, our GitHub page, you'll see the README, as well as it's available as a package on Docker. And the languages are HTML and the Docker file to create that Docker file that I was talking about earlier. That's really nice. See our program logo and some of the key features, such as the basic file directory view, has a name and upload size. There's folder and file links. It's compatible with all web servers and websites, and it's cross-platform. Now you can download the code to create your own page from this link here. Otherwise, you can access the production version, which is linked right over here. So, as I said before, you can use it by git cloning it or pulling it from Docker, or using the above links. However, there are some basic things you need to upgrade to make this your own directory. So start by upgrading the directory placeholder in the top of the page. And then you want to upgrade the directory placeholder on the title of the page. And then if this folder is inside another directory, you need to do a .. and then link that to the folder above. And then from there, for each item should have a file and a folder link. So you can replace each one of these with exactly what it's supposed to be. Now both the file and folders are the same, so it's very simple. Either you write folder or you write file, and then you just name the actual name of the file or folder and the actual link to it, and then the data has been modified. And it's built in partnership with GitHub, W3 Schools, and Nginx. And it's licensed under the BSD 2-clause simplified license, which is available in the license file in the repository. And it is part of the web server developed by the Nginx development team. And since their information is released under the BSD 3-clause license, this project has under the same license, just minus the one about Google. So if we scroll back up from the top of the page, we see on the right-hand side here that there is a link to the page of the website. So clicking on it, we see basically what will show up when you create your own copy of this template. So this is index of directory. So this is where you would change it to the actual directory linking, as well as a folder and a file link, and then the month, day, year, and the hour, minute that it has been edited. There's no information changed here, just this information. And so yeah, you can just download that code and change it in the way that you want. So welcome back. Now I have the main index.html file open in a code editor, in this case Visual Studio Code. So we start off by seeing here that this is the index of directory title that I was talking about earlier. So you can edit this, so that way you can change the title of the web page itself on the browser to the actual directory. And then here's the index of directory placeholder for the title on the page itself. So you'd want to change both of these so that way they match each other. And then there is this link right here for folder, and this one here for a file. And then, as I alluded to before, in the GitHub page, if this is inside of another page or inside another folder, then you should remove the 2 comment tags on the edge, and then you can use this link to link it back up to another page. And then there'll be also another index file in that folder, and then that'll let you see it from there. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed. If you feel the need to use this in your project as a basic file directory page, then just download the code from GitHub. You can git clone it, you can use a Docker container, or you can just download the zip file, and then you can add it to your own project. So thanks for watching.